What's up, future leaders? Let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you that the next 5 minutes can completely change the trajectory of your college career? And I'm not talking about just getting better grades or landing a decent internship. I'm talking about setting yourself up for massive success before you even grab that diploma. Listen, the game has changed. In 2025, over 80% of employers are checking out candidates' online presence before they even get a call for an interview. And the crazy part is, less than 20% of college students are actually taking advantage of this opportunity. And that gap right there, that's your chance to stand out. I remember sitting exactly where you are right now, fresh faced in college, thinking a degree alone is going to open up doors for me. Boy, was I wrong. And it wasn't until I started intentionally building my personal brand that everything started clicking. And now I've helped over hundreds of students transform their personal brand and their careers, and that's what I'm going to do for you today. Here's the real deal. Your personal brand isn't just some fancy LinkedIn page or an Instagram profile. It's your story, your values, and your impact all rolled into one. And it was going to make employers fight to hire you for all these opportunities instead of you chasing them down. Let me break this down to you as to why this matters right now. Employers are looking for more than grades, and I promise you that. Ever since I've graduated, I've never had anybody ask me about my GPA. Your digital footprint is your new resume. The average recruiter looks at a resume between 6 and 7 seconds, meaning that your digital footprint can have a longer lasting impact than your resume ever can. With personal branding, it creates opportunities that you can't even imagine. And if you don't believe me, I promise you, the brand that I built actually allowed me to become an ESPN Plus producer just 3 months after graduating. And that's what happens when you're intentional with creating your personal brand. By the end of this series, you're going to have a clear roadmap on how to build out your personal brand that is going to open doors for you. But here's what I need from you. I need you to commit. I need you to commit by taking action. But don't just watch these videos. I need you to implement what you're learning. And the best way you can do that is watch one video a week, so you can truly digest everything that you're learning and also take action. In our next episode, we're going to be diving into finding your core message, and that is the foundation for your personal brand. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. And remember, your personal brand isn't about pretending to be someone else. It's about strategically showcasing the best version of yourself. And if you're ready to commit to this series, let me see "I'm committed" in the comments. Let's get to work, y'all.